welcome back. So today I am going to be putting on an aftermarket wing on the daily driver because obviously that's what you do, you know, you just gotta make the daily more daily with an aftermarket wing. Yeah. So some of you guys might recognize this wing. There's a few photos of it out there on my old track R53 that I ended up selling to my friend Zach, and I kept the wing to put on this car. I haven't painted it yet because I wanted to see it on the car to decide if I wanted the wing black and have it stand out or have it white and kind of be a little bit more subtle, if you will. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on taking off the stock spoiler and then putting on the new aftermarket wing. This isn't the GP wing that's very common for these cars. It's more similar to the style of the one that I have on my F56, the way it kind of mounts like that, flat. I like that look a little bit better than the GP style wing personally. So I'm super stoked on it, and maybe you guys can help me decide on what color to eventually get it painted. So let's jump into it. I literally still haven't put on my sticker for this year and it's almost time to renew. That's really embarrassing, wow. Okay, so thankfully for me, all this is stripped off because when I did the wiper delete, I just never put anything back because daily driver, right? So yeah, so it's pretty easy. You just pull it out from here, here, and here. I believe I don't think this is one if I remember right. I think this is for the Cooper spoiler that they have, and I believe the Cooper S is just these two. I have one pulled off, so I'll double check, so I'll go look at that real quick. So it's just the two side ones. It's gonna be really fun to pull up. This stuff is super sticky. I've taken these off a couple times for other projects and stuff. Not fun, so I'm not excited, and hopefully where it's warm out today, it'll come off fairly easy. We'll see. I'm sure you could probably pull these off with your hands, but seeing that I have nails, that's not gonna work, so pick tool it is. Okay, there's our little bolt in there, looks like a 10mm. Let's see. There we go. All right.
There's a distance between us.
So here's the current method. It's working somewhat. I took a flathead and put it in a microfiber so it didn't damage my paint. And I'm just pushing up on it, which really feels very uncomfortable, but it's okay. It's lightly working. Okay, so now that I've gotten that off, this is how I did it. I came underneath here and put pressure up like this until it pulled all the sticky stuff off. And now we're good. Here's the new wing. Very excited. Like I said, mounts very similar to the one on the F56. So it'll be a little lifted off the top, nothing holding it on the sides, and just the little arrow pieces. So I'm very excited, and yeah, hopefully this goes smooth.
It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
This is my makeshift contraption to be able to do this on my own, so let's hope it works.
I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been...
Took me a hot second, but I got both the bolts lined up, and now I'm just tightening them down. I have a very needy assistant today. That seems pretty solid. Hi, do you want to say hi? Come here. Today's assistant is extra whiny, but we love him. So here's my F56 wing. It has a little more definition to it, but I was really just going for the style that mounts like this and it keeps it up off the spoiler like that. I really like that look, so that's why I got that one. So now that you've seen this one, I'll go ahead and show you what the one on the R53 looks like. Okay, so here's the one on the R53. Like I said, there's not as much definition, but it mounts very similar, and I like that this one uses the OEM holes, so you don't see any holes, so that's really nice. But it has that same kind of look to it, as you can see, where it comes up off the top a little bit. And obviously I got, these weren't the ones that were supposed to come with this specific wing, but I requested these ones because they were really similar in shape to my F56, and I really like the look of that one so much, so I wanted to do it that way. This stuff isn't wanting to come off very well, so I'm gonna go and get alcohol and hope that it takes it off that way. It could just be stained parts of it, so we'll have to see there. Okay, here's the back end. Wow. Love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. And then we'll go for our side shot. Okay. Top view here. Side view. Liking it. Ooh, I like it a lot. It looks so good. But now I have to decide, do I want it black or white to blend in? I don't know. The bases are black, so I'm thinking maybe black, because I kind of feel like it should stand out and the splitter is going to be black, so maybe that would be a nice tie-in. I don't know, but I do have clear because I really like the clear and stuff to go with the white, so I don't know. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. So that is a wrap for this video. Hopefully you guys like the wing and give me some advice on what color to paint it, because I'm totally unsure right now. But next time I see you with this car, hopefully we will be painting this wing. And the other thing it needs is a fuel sender unit. Mine is leaking severely, so that all has to get sorted. So next time I see you, we will probably be doing some work on this here soon. A lot of stuff for the S2000 coming up, so expect to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.